Hey, babe. What are you doing?
Trying to get my line untangled.
Try to do some fishing?
Yeah.
Cool.
No Name Lake.
No Name Lake. Hey, who says that?
Every other fisherman out there.
Yep. Hey, Brenda. What you doing?
Standing here.
Standing there.
Waiting for the fish to bite.
Waiting for the fish to bite. You get any nibbles at all yet?
No. No.
Well, we'll give it a little time, then we'll move. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Brenda, what you doing?
Trying to put my fishing poles in.
Why?
We're moving to a different spot.
Are we going to No Name Lake too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Hey, Brenda, what you doing?
Cooking lunch.
Lunch?
Yep.
Did you catch fish for lunch?
No.
Oh. What'd you catch for lunch then? Well, since she's not telling you, I caught lasagna and meat sauce by Mountain House.
Oh.
Normally, we dehydrate our own stuff, huh, honey?
Yes.
But today we went the easy route because these were already in the pantry, weren't they?
Yep.
What are you having, honey?
Beef stroganoff.
Cool. Cool, cool. Observe the world.
Yep, I already threw mine away.
Oh, cool. Well, folks, so far, skunked. We might move to another spot. I don't know. After we eat Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce, I think that is one of my favorite meals from them. I'm a red sauce kind of person. Brenda's a white sauce kind of person. That's why she has the beef stroganoff. But yeah, nothing. We see fish. Just don't know what we're doing wrong. Well, we see minnows.
And what we got going on there?
And this is why we don't have forest fires, honey. Control burn. Control burn. Alright, folks. It's a nice day, so this fire here that you're seeing is a controlled burn. I do my best to try and zoom in so you guys can see those flames. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the crackles of the flames coming. Look at that. It is spreading quickly, and it is beautiful. It is so beautiful. All right, finally. What'd you get, babe? Oh, look at that.
Gil.
Fat Gil. Good job, sweetheart.
Yep. I got him.
I see that, baby. Oh, good job. Oh, oh. Nice.
Oh, he's heavier.
He's nice, honey. Good job.
Got one, finally.
You get something?
Yeah, finally.
All right.
It's not as big as yours, but I finally got one.
Yeah, nice. Well, at least the skunk is off.
The skunk is off, yes.
All right, let's see it, hon. Good job, baby. Good job. All right. All right. Finally. Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, guys, look at that. Here we go. Got one. That sounds like a nice one, honey. Whoa. Nice. Right. Another nice one, sweetheart. Oh, nice though. Well, guys, we didn't get this on film, but look at this. Giant bluegill. He's huge.
Yes, it is. Yep, you got me beat.
All right, Wanda's got a big something over there. Good job. Bring it over for a picture, buddy. All right, there's her fish. Look at that. Hey, you know what? That's one you caught this winter.
That's right.
It grew a little.
It did, didn't it?
Okay, got another one?
A little one. This one's way too little. I'm not keeping this one for the
Okay.
fry.
Okay.
All right, folks. So my camera woman, my wife, is off fishing over there. See her behind that little thing there. And what happens? I catch a master class bluegill. Look at this giant bluegill. Holy cow. Easily, I don't know how long. Let me go measure them. Yeah. Well, folks, as you can see, we're back in the car. You know, we did the best we could to put a video together for you.
Yep.
Moines Lake 1 and 2 just were a bust. I think the water's still too cold yet. And they're down deeper.
I don't know.
But anyways, well, we appreciate all of you guys watching our videos and always commenting and liking. We